With a high cost of gold and silver today, it is a great advantage for you to be able to have a machine that can make your wire for you when you need it without paying a lot of labor. So this machine, which is 3D printed, is now available to you. So in a 5-foot, 8-foot, and 10-foot tabletop machine. It's so complete without, the only thing missing is you have to supply your own tongs, which many people have, so we don't put that in there. It also has the advantages is lightweight. A 8-foot section is about 9 pounds. Portable, as it breaks apart in 1-foot sections by just taking out the hex screws and putting it back together. And you can put it in underneath the bed, put it in a little corner of your room, and take it anywhere. If you're going to do shows and you need to make wire, bring it to a show. You need to travel with it and go somewhere else, put it on a plane, take it with you. Now, you can go to my site on Etsy and purchase this machine. Thank you.